Well, hey there again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and today is the first day that I'm putting my solar furnace for the shed into service. Took the cover off of it, and there it is, right there. And we'll go inside here and show you what's going on. Well, as you see, there's the outlet for the heat coming off of it. And let's just put this on there and see what we're getting. Yeah, pretty good, 97 degrees. And we'll go over here. And there's the outside temperature. It's about 65 degrees right now. And here in the shed, it's almost 76 degrees. So in a little while, this thing just started going, and that's what it's set at right now. As far as the cutoff temperature, there's a 15-degree difference in the cut on and cut off. So this will automatically cut off at 85 degrees if it goes down below 85 degrees inside the box. But above 85 degrees, it'll continue running. And then if for some reason later on today, which it probably will happen, if it gets a little too hot in here, I've got a butterfly valve on the top of the box, and I can just hit the switch right here, and it'll open the butterfly, and it'll put some of the heat to the outside, so I can reduce the heat coming here into the shed. So anyways, just thought that was something neat that I thought you guys would like to see. And that's all there is to this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.